What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of #IRL, where we bring PicsArt to real life. So, this is Nicki.
Hey guys, I'm the social media manager at PicsArt, and today Talar is going to be giving me a makeover. Woo!
So, we're gonna give Nicki a digital makeover using our Beautify tools.
We really love seeing all the looks that you guys make, so that's why we decided to try a few out on me.
Yep, and then I'm gonna recreate it in real life using our makeup, and she's gonna turn it into one of the looks we create. Good luck, Nicki!
I think for the first look, we should just keep it low-key and do like a classic pinup look. I think we should start with like the eyeliner and the lashes, like big dramatic lashes. Yeah, like that's perfect. And then I think next we need to do some eyebrows to give me some definition, but not too much, like blend them in a little bit. Let's do some red hair and then just blend it in a bit. So I can look kind of like how the classic ones look in the ads and the commercials. And then I think to top it up, we need some red lips. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna cut them down, cool. That was a little dramatic at first. And then I think, what do you think? We should do maybe like a vintage filter and some contour to tie the whole look together. That way it can really look like I'm from like the 50s. I want to look like supernatural, like I walked off of a movie screen. I don't know, maybe like a little bit of an alien vibe. So I think that we should start with like a crazy hair color, maybe a blue, and keep it like really dark. And also do like some blue eyes or maybe like purple eyes to match. And then like a sharp contour. So it really looks like I kind of have like that alien face shape. I also think we need to smooth out my skin. I want it to look like perfectly smooth. I think we should go on the wild side and try to remove my eyebrows entirely with a remove tool and see what happens. Okay, that's a lot. Let's do the other one. Okay, I definitely need eyebrows. I need the eyebrows. We need to add some back on, but let's just like keep the remove, add 2 new eyebrows on. Let's do like a blue sparkly one so we can match like the entire vibe of the look. Good luck recreating this in real life, but I maybe would rock blue eyebrows. Okay, I'm into it. It's gonna be hard to decide which one to recreate, but let's do it. So it's transformation time!
It's scary time. I'm gonna do her wing liner.
Check it out.
All right. They look good.
Do they match?
Yeah.
They match.
It's highlighter time. Final touches, and boop, we're done, Nicki. Woo, woo! This turned out pretty well. I did a good job.
Thanks, Talar.
I got you, girl. Gotcha.
Oh my god, guys, I really like how my look turned out. Thank you, Talar. Like, I also really like my winged eyeliner. That's definitely something that I'm gonna wear more, and just try the Beautify tool, try out some new hair colors. It really is a good way to try out looks. Thanks for watching! Comment your PicsArt username below. We're gonna be picking 3 people to win gold.
Okay, and make sure to tune in to the next episode. And that's it for today. We love you guys. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to watch our latest IRL where we DIY'd our own t-shirt from a thrift store. Make sure to subscribe to get more content.